welcome back to my channel. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the best dancers on YouTube. Get on with the video. Oh, you're not in this. You didn't make one. So, maybe tomorrow we're gonna do a vlog. Wait, a video with some things in my house.
Anna, tomorrow on Monday I'm gonna kiss Rome on the cheek.
Don't listen to my sister.
Anna, tomorrow on Monday I'm gonna kiss Rome on the cheek.
No, you're not. Okay. Sorry if you heard that. That was just my sister talking about Jonah. She's gonna kiss him on the cheek. She's too young for him. He's 8. So, we're gonna dance soon. I know you guys love dancing. I love dancing. So, when we're done dancing will be the last thing. I'll miss you guys so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost dropped you. What are we gonna do? Tell me. Miss Kelly, I have a YouTube channel. Wow. I'm doing one. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, I want to dance.
We'll dance. You do.
We can do it for $65 upstairs or
Ready?
$30
We're gonna
here
dance.
too, and I'm like, imagine. So I watched this guy. Once I get the $30 one, he's walking up. And I'm like, I say $35. An hour later, I'm like, the steps. I mean, it was ridiculous. The mattress weighs like 10 pounds, but it was just so awkward. I'm like,
I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
It was a clean thing. And so I'm trying to like.